Okay, bee installation 2012. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Okay, let's go get the veil. Charlie, what do you have?
I don't think I need it.
Oh, very important.
I guess. We'll come check on him and see. Okay, so...
Okay, everybody back up.
What we're gonna do now is...
Charlie, you need to come back up, honey. Well, Daddy, you...
Aside. Right here for now.
Right here. Over here.
When the bees come out, we'll get them over here.
Think it'll come out too fast?
I think it's going to come out too fast. I think you need smaller holes. Okay. So... Where's your protection?
I don't think I need it.
Okay, Charlie, you got to come back here with Mom.
Okay.
Right there.
No, all the way back here with Thomas. Come hold hands with Thomas.
There.
Come hold hands with Thomas.
There.
Oh, see, now Daddy's like
There.
making them a bit angry, so let's make sure we're over here,
There.
ready to run.
We need a pair of pliers or something.
Hold hands with Thomas. Okay, come stand on the other side of me then.
Okay, now that I did that, I'm gonna get some pliers.
Okay, we're pausing. Are you stalling?
No. I need some different tools. Okay. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Calmness.
Calm. Remain
Don't
calm.
let them sense your fear. Okay, Thomas, over here, bud.
Remain calm.
Come here, guy.
I think what I'm gonna do
Oh,
is
look, they're coming out.
I'm gonna put my veil on.
Yeah, probably
Maybe.
that's a bit
Actually, maybe,
too late.
maybe not. Maybe I will.
Okay, no, Charlie. Whoa, come here, Charlie. Charlie.
There's lots of bees there.
Yeah, I'm serious. You need to stay with Mom now. Yeah, this is, see? This is, yeah, this is serious now.
Daddy's putting the gear on.
Daddy's putting the gear on.
Hopefully I don't get any bees in my veil.
Okay, maybe you guys should go back behind the fence. Okay, Charlie, go with your brother. I know, go back with Thomas.
You don't have to go that far.
Yeah, it's probably best. Don't listen to Dad.
Over there.
Yeah, just with Thomas.
All right.
Just hold hands with Thomas, Charlie. He knows.
Over
Okay, thank you, Thomas. Okay, Thomas, want to go hang out with Charlie? So if you see a bee, you make sure to run with him. Thomas, go take care. Thank you. This probably should have been done beforehand.
What's that?
Oh, I don't know. This probably should have been done beforehand. So how are you getting the queen out of there?
I'm not sure.
Do you have a knife to cut it open?
This is our queen bee.
Oh. Oh, right there?
Right
Oh, there's one in
inside
there.
She's in
Oh,
the
it's,
cage.
it's a lot bigger.
She's in the cage, yeah.
Here, let me see. Oh, yeah.
She's got a big abdomen.
Uh-huh.
Much bigger than that one there, which is a worker bee.
Yeah.
Well, now I gotta get this cork out. and
You've
replace-
got like 10 bees on you.
Replace it with a marshmallow. That's
Just
okay.
just let me know. Stay over there, please.
They're not stinging very well.
I know, but... Okay, Charlie, don't go out any further. No, you're gonna fall in the water.
So I guess the idea now is to take that cork out and replace it with a marshmallow.
Oh, elastic
In
band?
there like that.
Yeah.
And put her in the center of the hive. And over time, the bees are gonna rescue her, and then she's gonna live in the hive.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, whoa, Thomas, don't go any closer.
Why are they gonna? Why is he making them so he needs to rescue?
Because then you keep your queen bee in the hive.
Why
Yeah?
do they need to
This is
save?
gonna be the fun part.
Because I don't know. We'll have to ask Daddy after. Okay.
Basically, all
Okay.
these bees need
Thomas,
to
get
go.
out or back up, honey. So are you just gonna? Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. Ooh, you should come and see this.
Okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not doing a very good job taping here. Where are you?
Come and take a look down in here.
Can I take a
Look at all those bees.
Holy smokes. Okay, go really slowly and take a peek and then walk slowly away.
Yeah, see, some more can come out. I think if I just put this down here like this,
Yeah, don't go, Thomas.
they will find their way back in.
I'm not doing good. There you are. Okay, should I
Here,
come?
let me film in there. This is kind of neat.
I'll do it. You go. I know there's lots, Thomas.
We'll run this side, you can, or go back there. You can kind of see them in there. See, they're already climbing.
Oh, they're
on there,
climbing up.
which is what we want. Because basically, we want to close this in on them.
Whoa, that's a lot of bees.
Slowly but surely, we'll close this in on them so we can put all of our frames back in there.
Okay, how many did you need? 9? Okay, Thomas, back up, honey.
There's a bee up there.
I know, back up with Charlie.
Chaw. A bee. They did that exactly.
That's right, Steve. Team.
This whole protein thing here.
A bee down there. So we need to
We'll
stay.
go up here.
Do you have to take the plastic off?
Nope, she said not to take the plastic
Oh, really?
off. These things.
I know,
I
okay,
got a
just
little
get
bit of
the
sugar water on me.
get the lid on.
And this on top of that.
Oh, is that a dead one?
This might be better actually.
Can I see the bee?
No, there's no dead one, honey. Okay, bee is right beside me.
Oh, there's a bee in my pants.
Oh, shush, really?
Yeah.
See?
Oh, can you help her? Okay, take care of the bee in your pants, maybe.
One good thing that was the bee.
Yeah.
They're tucked in my shirt.
Okay, seriously? Yeah, he's on the bridge. Help Charlie up, Thomas. Oh, God. Are you
I
serious?
think I'm okay.
Okay, tuck in.
Alright.
Lessons learned.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, God.
Ow!
Can you just drop him?
I guess I didn't get him. Ow! You're in the bum. I think he must have gotten in this hole right here.
Okay, did you kill him?
Alright, he's only sting once.
Well, get him out.
Hopefully.
Dad, did he sting?
Yeah, he stung my bum.
Ow. Okay, you guys, stay back. If they're stinging, we don't want to go any closer. Okay?
Okay, so now we're going to put this on top.
Now,
Mom,
yeah?
but did he die after he stinged?
I don't know.
Dad, did he die after he stinged? Dad?
Okay, I got to get rid of these bees first, because otherwise they're going to get trapped in here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Out of the way. Now, this on top.
One hive
One
complete.
hive done.
Nah, be careful. Okay, minute.
Ah! A bee! Was right on top.
Oh, she just batted one.
I told
Right now
you.
they're not in a stinging mood, unless of course you get in your pants.
Okay, turn around.
I'm tightening up my buckle by a notch here.
Turn around. Let's see what you've done to prevent the aha. Lesson learned, taped up the hole.
Oh, good.